guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be playing with a brand new affordable makeup collection, and it honestly looks like the cutest thing ever. And the collection that I'm talking about is the brand new Sunday Picnic collection from Sheglam. Oh my gosh, I've been seeing this one all over Instagram. It looks absolutely adorable, and I haven't even actually opened it yet. I cannot wait to see the colors. Now, if you're not familiar with Sheglam or Shein, which I'm sure you probably are if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, Sheglam is a really awesome affordable beauty brand, and Shein are obviously really well known for all of their affordable clothing. I actually purchased, and if you guys follow my vlog, something like 48 cushion covers from Shein. Maybe that was about 4 months ago. It's amazing how much switching out your cushions like completely changes your house. Anyway, that's a tangent. I have worked with Sheglam in the past, and I am super excited to say that I am teaming up with them again for today's video. And as part of that, I do have a special discount code for you guys. So you can use the code It's Nikkia, and that will get you 15% off the Shein website if you're interested in grabbing anything off there. I definitely recommend the cushion covers. They're really, really good. But pretty much what we're going to do today is open up this adorable little Sunday picnic set, play with all of the products. I'm going to create a look using them, and then I'm going to let you guys know whether or not this collection is worth all of the hype. All right, guys, first up, the packaging of this is absolutely beautiful. Let me just check real quick, but I'm pretty sure you can purchase the entire collection as a package deal like this. Yeah, you can. You can get any of these products individually, or you can purchase the entire collection. And like I said, I've got that discount code if you want to grab it cheaper, but they're already like insanely affordable. So everything in this collection is between only $5 and $11. So certainly it is not going to break the budget, but let's open it up. All right, so this is what the collection looks like when you first open it up. It's absolutely adorable. I'm really, really drawn to like the overall styling of this collection, and I love that it's like picnic themed. I mean, firstly, I love Sundays, and secondly, I love picnics. So this is entirely, it's all working for me. But in here, we've got an eyeshadow palette called the Sunday Picnic Eyeshadow Spread. We've got a setting spray. We've got a layer cake lip oil set, and also some cream blushes. And it looks like it also comes with a cute, oh, it does. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, first starting with the eyeshadow palette. This is the Sunday Picnic Eyeshadow Spread. The actual palette itself is this gorgeous gingham pattern, and it's got this cute lace detail on the corner. They're all really pretty browns. There's shimmers, they're mattes, just a really nice neutral everyday palette. So I'm going to start out on my eyes taking Dawn, this really nice neutral. It's almost between like a cream and a brown. I'm going to smudge this through the crease as a transition shade. This is a matte shadow, this one. I've tried many Sheglam palettes in the past, and they've always been really, really pigmented, and especially for the price, like these are insanely affordable. So just working that through as a little bit of a transition shade. I'm now going in with Biscuit, which is a slightly deeper brown. This is another matte shadow, this one. We're just working that one pretty much almost directly over the last shade. I'm just going to do like a really natural, kind of like a subtle smoky brown eyeshadow look today. Now taking an even smaller blending brush, I'm going to go into the deepest shade of brown in this palette, this one here. And I'm going to put that one directly into the crease and also smudge it out in the outer corner of my eye. I'm not finding these shadows difficult to work with at all. They're all blending out pretty well. And surprisingly, for such a dark matte brown sort of a shadow, surprisingly, I don't even have much fallout, which is good to see. And then to finish off the eyes, just quickly, I'm going to take RSVP, which is like this really pretty, it's almost like a champagne shimmer, and it's kind of like a glitter topper kind of a formula. And I'm going to press that over the top of those matte brown eyeshadows. Oh, that's really, really pretty. It's very lightweight for a glitter topper, actually. You can hardly sort of feel it. You know how sometimes they can kind of feel a little sticky? This one has a really nice dry formula. Oh, I love that. I'll be honest, I did not expect this shimmer shadow to be this pretty. I expected it to be really sheer. It's actually beautiful. Oh my gosh, love. Overall, I really like this palette. It's super cute packaging. It's very neutral. It's very beginner friendly. Definitely a good buy, especially for the price if you are after some neutral shadows. But I'm going to chuck some mascara on quickly off camera, and then I'll be back to keep testing the rest of the products. All right, mascara is on, and I put some lashes on as well. This eyeshadow look has come out really, really cute. I definitely really love this, and I just looked up the price of this. It's $6.49 full price. Like, What? Now, like I always do, you guys, I will link every single Sheglam product that I mention in today's video in the description bar down below. Sheglam is sold exclusively on the Shein website, or you can download the app to purchase them as well. And if you don't want to use the links in my description bar, you can just search Sheglam Sunday Picnic on the Shein website to find it. But let's move into the cheek products. These are called their Cheeky Color Jams, and they're so cute. It's got that same really adorable, it's like a picnic rug pattern on the top. And we've got 3 different shades of these. Oh, they look really rich and beautiful. So this one here is Rose Meadow. Then we have Scarlet Sunset. How amazing is that? Oh my goodness. And then lastly, Afternoon Peach. I like all of these. I feel like Afternoon Peach might be my vibe today, so let's try this. Now, apparently these are insanely pigmented, so you definitely probably want to go easy. Ooh, so these are like a cream to powder formula. Ooh, okay, they blend out really easily on the back of my hand. Love that. I'm going to go in with my foundation sponge and start to blend that right on the apples of my cheek there. Okay, that actually blends out really easily. It's a really sort of natural kind of a sheer color when it's on the skin. And it's not emphasizing any texture, which I love. They are definitely buildable, so if you do want to build up the color, you can. But I love that, you know, straight away, they're not very difficult to blend. A lot of cream blushes. They're hard work. Yeah, that's a really soft and natural. I really like that. And like I said, it's like a cream to powder formula, so it's very, very lightweight. But I'll show you guys some swatches of each of the colors. Okay, there's a look at all of the colors. This one here is the one that I put on my cheeks. And then the other 2, they're just like this really amazing. They kind of like melt into a powder as you blend them onto the skin. They're really nice. All right, the next product that we're going to be testing out is the Layer Cake Lip Oil Set. Super adorable packaging again. And look at this, you guys. I love this. You can fold the straps up and it's like a little picnic basket. Now, this is a little trio of lip oils that are apparently cake scented. I mean, you had me at hello. A trio of your favorite flavors, chocolate, cherry, and rainbow cake. And the cherry on top, it's 100% guilt-free thanks to good for you ingredients like sweet almond oil, coconut oil, and plantains olive squalane, which helps to soothe and improve the look of your lips. Oh my gosh, imagine this is a dupe to the Dior lip oil. You guys know I'm obsessed with the Dior lip oil, but it's very expensive. Okay, so each of these come in these cute little tubes, and at the top of the little tube, you have that same like little picnic pattern. Honestly, as far as packaging goes, they've nailed this collection. Oh my God. Okay, that's definitely the cherry one. That smells absolutely amazing. Yes, cherry cake. Then we have chocolate cake. What does chocolate smell like? Ooh, it does. It smells like a hot chocolate. And then lastly, rainbow cake. That one kind of smells like vanilla cake. That's delicious. So obviously we've got all of those hydrating ingredients in there to help hydrate and nourish and soothe the lips. And the fact that they smell so good, I'm very excited about. Let's take the cherry one. Oh my gosh. Okay, that feels amazing. Yeah, that literally feels exactly like the Dior lip oil. It's given my lips this really sort of glowy sheen, but with just a hint of color. Not sticky at all, and they do feel really, really hydrating. These may be my favorite product from the whole collection. These are really nice. And then last but not least for this collection, we have the Setting Spritz. Now this seems like a very interesting texture for a setting spray. It's kind of like got like a jelly consistency to it. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but it looks quite thick. Packaging is absolutely adorable, and I'm assuming when we take this off, yeah, we have a little spritzer. Now, apparently this is grape champagne scented, and apparently this will lock your makeup in place and give you a little bit of like a dewy look. I'm so curious about how this is. Oh! Oh my gosh, it smells absolutely amazing. It smells like grape lollies, like I kid you not. And the little atomizer on it, like it comes out so fine. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to spritz this on my skin so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so it's a very, very, very fine mist, and it definitely has given my skin like a subtle glow, but without feeling heavy at all. And like shockingly, even though it's so thick in here, it comes out as like such a super fine mist. It's bizarre. Now, obviously I will need to update you guys on how well these products wear over time, but certainly as a first impression, this collection is really, really cute. I really love the packaging. I can definitely see why it's blowing up online. And like I said, if you are interested in checking out this collection or any of the other Sheglam products, the Sheglam foundation in particular is insane. I did do a full in-depth review of that one on my channel. I'll link it on the screen. one of the most amazing full coverage foundations, and it's so affordable. But if you want to grab anything, or you want to grab anything from the Shein website, you can use my code It's Nikkia to grab that 15% off. But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I really enjoy testing out makeup collections. So if there are any other collections out there that you're kind of on the fence of whether or not to pick them up, definitely let me know. I would love to do a full like demo swatch video for you. But I love you guys heaps. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye.